In this final chapter, we would like to refer to a valuable free webinar about DIY Loop. In this video, Nabeel Khan, a diabetes technologist from BCDiabetes in Canada, shares a comprehensive overview of adjusting therapy settings in Loop based on real-time data from Nightscout. Please click on the link below this video as Nabeel Khan's expertise and examples will further enhance our understanding of DIY Loop, empowering us to optimize our glycemic control. In addition to the valuable information provided in this chapter, we encourage you to watch a YouTube video by diabetes technology blogger Justin, where he demonstrates how he personally utilizes DIY Loop with Dexcom G7 and specifically highlights how he analyzes his carb inputs, how he uses overrides, and why he loves the connection with his Apple Watch. This video offers a practical and real-life perspective on using DIY Loop and can enhance your understanding of its functionality. Congratulations on completing this module on DIY Loop. You have gained a comprehensive understanding of the features, functionalities, and best practices associated with this innovative automated insulin delivery system. Armed with this knowledge, you are now equipped to harness the power of DIY Loop and embark on a journey towards better diabetes management. Remember, diabetes management is an ongoing process and continuous learning and adaptation are key. Stay connected with the Loop community, seek support when needed, and always prioritize your health and well-being. With DIY Loop and the insights of Nabeel and Justin, you have the tools and knowledge to take control of your diabetes and live life to the fullest.